Alexa, start Rampiot.
Welcome to Rampiot. How can I help you with your door? Do you want to schedule an action or create a new rule?
New rule.
Here are the possible door events: locked, unlocked, opened, and closed. Which one of these events will fire the rule?
Closed.
When door is closed, you can do one of these three actions: send notification, lock door, or lock and notify. Which one of these actions do you want?
Lock and notify.
This rule can apply all days or one specific day of the week. What day of the week do you prefer for this rule apply?
Every day.
How much time should pass after the door is closed before lock and notify?
10 seconds.
Finally, select an hour range for apply rule. For example, between 6 a.m. and 9 a.m. What is the hour range you want this rule apply?
1 a.m. to 6 p.m.
Here are your rule. Every day, between 1 a.m. and 6 p.m., the door will lock and notify automatically after being closed for 10 seconds. Do you want to create it?
Yes.
Bravo! Your rule is ready.